Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Hey lovies, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, and if you are returning. So today we're doing a maintenance vlog. I know y'all tired of seeing these braids up in my hair. I gotta take them out. So we're gonna take them out. We're gonna do something really exciting. We're gonna get highlights to my hair. Right now my hair is like black. It has a little bit of like brown, if you can see that. Like my tips are brown. It used to be, well, they're like honey blonde. It used to, like my whole hair used to be that color, but my hair just grew out. So come with me to get my hair dyed. I'm getting my lashes done next. I get my lashes done too, and then I'll probably do my nails. I probably will do my nails, but very short look. Don't mind the fit. Just came from working out, so see you guys in a little bit.
I'm outside and it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Good morning, guys. Hold on. All right. Hey, lovies. So I'm on my way to go get my brows threaded by, I'm not even gonna say bye. I'm not really, I am kind of running a little bit late. She only lives like 10 minutes away. And I'm like a good maybe like 7 minutes away from her now, and you could have put it on indication. I could have hit your car so bad just now. Oh, people. Anyways, don't mind my crazy hair, but I know you guys see these highlights in my hair. Your girl is with a new hairstyle. My video on dyeing my hair just dropped. I am gonna get my hair straightened. What's today, Wednesday? I'm gonna try to get my hair straightened tomorrow morning, if not tomorrow like evening. So I'm gonna try to do it in the morning just so I can come home early, because I don't really wanna like come out of work just to go get my hair done. I kind of want to relax. This week has been hectic. Like, I've been coming out of work and like going to go do something. So I'm going to try my best to wake up early in the morning to get my hair done. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. You guys will see me getting my brows threaded.
You can close eyes because your lash is long. I don't want to take the lash.
Yeah. doesn't look better. Yeah. So my skin is more dry. Yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Alright guys, I always feel like a bad bitch when I get my eyebrows done, because it's just like, once you get your eyebrows done and your lashes, you're a bad bitch. Like eyebrows just closes the look out. So as you can see, they look great. Oh my god, I'm so sun-kissed. I look good.
Okay.
Alright, so that's all I have for today. I am, like I said, doing my hair tomorrow, so you guys will see a little bit of that. And then you guys will see me getting my lashes done on Saturday. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying outside. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, two-turn baby.
Alright guys, so let me like hook you up and then I'll talk. Alright, so I just came out of the salon. This is how my hair is looking. Oh, she could have flattened over here. Hold on, let me get back to you. Alright guys, so I just kind of combed out my hair. Because one thing, like, I like the way how she did my hair. It's cute or whatever, but my hair looks kind of thin, but I feel like that's not my hair. I feel like she put way too much like grease in my hair. Okay. So yeah, this is how my hair came out. It looks cute. I do like the color. It's definitely something new that has to grow on me. I'll definitely say that. Oh my god, the back of my earring fucking came out. Now I have to go look for this. Hold on.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in that AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
I done my hair one time and blew it out and stuff like that. I definitely got back most of my curl pattern, and I got back like most.
All the niggas round, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas.
Hey guys, so one thing about me, and so horrible, but I stay fucking forgetting to record a video. I look so, like my skin looks so bugging right now. So I'm like so horrible with like recording before I like go in somewhere. Please don't look at this pimple. That's just, it looks so nasty. Like, why are you so big and where did you come from? Like, that was not there this whole time. Alright, anyways, I'm like so bad with like recording before I go in, because I always end up coming to like my appointments like just on time or like a couple minutes late. So I'm not thinking about my phone. I'm thinking about getting in there. But these are how my lashes came out. You guys already know about my eyebrows, and you guys already saw my hair too, and a little bit of the process of my hair with both dyeing and straightening. But there will be a more deep like in-depth video of like come dye my hair with me video. I'm just putting a little bit, I just put a little bit of me getting my hair dyed, because I'm gonna have a whole video dedicated to that. So yeah, so this kind of completes the video. I will definitely like add in like the final results, like hair out, everything done kind of results. And I may or may not do my my nails. I don't think I will. I just don't have time to. I have a client today. So don't look at my pimple. That shit looks so big. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit for the final results.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. really off a Finsta. Just the one, really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm out.